Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Noisely, install Noisely as an extension on your Google Chrome. So what is Noisely? This is your digital place for focus. You can listen to digital or background sounds to mask annoying noises and help you focus while you work, study, or relax. So even you can create and listen to your own personal sound environment in order to help you focus on your task, reduce stress, and to help you relax or simply wind down after a stressful day. These are the features. Uh, these Noisely provide you curated playlists, quickly access and play the favorite combos, time to walk in session, master volume, and so on. Let's try to add to Chrome by click this button, add extension. So wait for the process. Now it's done. Noisely has been added, and you can click this Noisely. So don't forget to logging in, sign up for free in order to enjoy your favorite. So this is for example, and of course you can set the time and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.